Having back problems where it's
I did not know that was there.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Very good. Very good. And better, I need kasi kailangan ng katawan kasi very athletic kasi naglalaro kami. So kailangan talaga ng maintenance. So sobrang thank you.
Hi, this is Dr. Kim Khauv, and thank you for watching our videos. To show our appreciation, we're starting a little contest that you can win a consultation, examination, your first chiropractic adjustment. Continue watching this video. There's a little break in the middle where there's gonna be a phrase or a question to answer. And if you put the correct answer in the comment section below, we're gonna randomly select 2 winners for the first 20 correct answers in the comment section, and you'll be invited to come to our office and receive your initial consultation, examination, and first chiropractic adjustment. Thank you very much.
All right, sir. Welcome to our clinic today. What brings you in? What can we help you with?
I've been having back problems where to a point that I sleep on my stomach, and that's like the most comfortable way to sleep. So I figured that it was a concern because me sleeping on my stomach or my chest area was not really the right position of sleeping. And every time that I actually tried laying down on my back and trying to sleep, it was very uncomfortable. So there's a certain angle of me sleeping on my stomach wherein it's like I'm sleeping on my stomach and then my neck is like this and then my neck again turns like that. So that is my most comfortable way of sleeping, and that's wrong, right? So I have a firm bed, and I think that would help me having a firm bed, but I need to have my back line, I think so. So I noticed.
How long have you had this issue with your back?
Well, roughly about maybe 3 years. I started noticing 3 years ago.
Was there any injury?
No injury. It was just a bad posture. I think just
What makes it worse? What activities?
sitting down for a long time, maybe after maybe an hour or 2 of just sitting down, I start to become uncomfortable, so I tend to just move around.
No, how the other side. Turn left or right. Okay.
Actually, when I did that, there was like maybe 1 out of 10 on my upper back.
Upper back. Okay. All right. Now with your head, tuck your chin there.
Yeah.
Okay, at all.
No pain.
Look up there. Anything there? No.
No pain. No pain.
So your main issue is your upper back. We circle that area. Okay. All right. Take a deep breath in for me. Blow it all the way out. Nice and easy. Trace up and on your breath.
I did not know that was there.
Yeah. Perfect.
Nice.
Yeah.
Hi, and thank you for watching our video. Today's phrase to write in the comment section is take care and be well.